Welcome to this IPTV installation guide. First, it's tricky finding reliable IPTV. But today, we reveal the best solution. Start by turning on your Firestick device. Navigate to the Firestick settings menu. Under Settings, look for My Fire TV. In My Fire TV, select Developer Options. Enable Apps from Unknown Sources option. Return to the home screen now. Use the search bar to find Downloader app. Install the Downloader app from Results. Open Downloader and allow necessary permissions. In Downloader, navigate to the URL bar. Type in the URL 2tv.store/download-now. Allow the app to download the IPTV file. After download, choose Install option promptly. Once installed, open the IPTV application. Log in using your credentials securely. Now, begin exploring channels and content. Enjoy a seamless IPTV experience today. Relish in high quality, buffer-free streaming. Explore features and additional amazing options. Subscribe now for more exciting tutorials. Thank you. See you in our next video.